guys, hello everyone! During my today's class, I will teach you how to animate your illustration, and we're gonna start with small cute objects, and then we're gonna move to a big project where we're gonna illustrate the whole art. My name is Inga Yun, I'm an artist, freelance illustrator, and I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical themes, and cute art. And during my classes, I constantly share the knowledge that I have about the Procreate. I share some useful tips and tricks how to use Procreate and how to simplify your painting process a lot. So if you don't want to miss my classes, please hit the subscribe button. And guys, your opinion is very important to me because thanks to you, I create my classes. I think about the topics that you might like, that I like. So if you want to share with me your opinion, please do it in discussion section. And also you can share your own projects with me, and you can do it in projects and resources section. So guys, today I will take you through the whole journey, my whole creative process. And first of all, I'll show you where to find and how to export all my freebies. And then we will animate small cute objects, and after that we will move to the big projects where we will paint an illustration with cute character, and then we're gonna animate it. And guys, I will show you a step-by-step process, create an animation, what we should do in order to animate some parts of our object or the whole object. And then I will show you the process how to create an illustration, how to add colors, how to add shades and highlights. I will tell you what is clipping mask, how to use layers and blending modes, and also how to use curves and hue, saturation and brightness. And in the end, we will create lovely illustration and we're gonna animate it. I'm gonna focus on painting cute illustration, and then we're gonna animate some of the elements from that illustration, and that will be our final projects. So your project will be same. Create lovely illustration. It can be the whole composition, the whole illustration, or just some elements, cute elements like exercises that we had at the beginning of our class. That's totally fine, and please share that with me. I will be happy to see what you're gonna create, and I will be happy to share my own feedback. And guys, as a bonus, I will share with you color palettes that I'm using, the brushes that I'm using, and also I will add the illustrations that I created. Please feel free to use it for your own art projects. And guys, this class is great for intermediate level. Also, it can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes. And maybe experienced artists also find it useful, because here you will find the way how I animate my illustrations. And I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn what is animation, how to animate your whole illustration or just tiny objects. And also it will give you some information about Procreate, how to use its features, and how to paint in fast and easy way. Guys, I can't wait to start this class, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy painting process together.